I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go, we gon' feed them. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted, and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the lips I'm leaving. I can take this crap from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood, my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold.
That was a moonshot.
They feeling every day. Hardcore, I could go heal them, go believe in fake, don't believe in feelings. I just need a taste. My mind starts feeling, I don't pace myself. I grind on feeling, God bless for change. I just love the feeling of I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll still be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll still be winning. I can feel the blood